Here we are looking for lunch, and we were looking for Giovanni shrimp, and we have stumbled upon this location where they have Giovanni shrimp. But it's interesting because we're in like a supermarket, and you have to go in like pretty deep into the supermarket, and there's like a stairway just to go up to the food hall. And up here, I come to realize that there's a lot of variety of food, including the Giovanni shrimp that's very popular in Honolulu. So let me show you guys. There it is. You got all kind of variety. Look at that. Look at this. We got ramen over here. They got Dada chicken.
Your order number 70.
They even have ice cream over here too, and they have a little bar area over here. And here's the ice cream. Oh, they got a little dessert place over here. There we go. So the most interesting part about Honolulu, about this trip, is that I'm starting to discover a lot of these like interesting hidden area where like there's food court. Like you would never expect, if you look outside the building, it looks like a normal building, like a condo or something. And you walk in, there's an H Market, and then you walk all the way down upstairs, you got this whole area right here. Look at that. So let's go order some food and see what we're gonna eat. I feel like I gotta get the Giovanni shrimp, but let's see what my wife's ordering first before we get over there. Are you getting for the kids? Ramen, huh? That sounds good too.
The hottest spice is really spicy and there's no garlic, is that okay?
Yeah, I want it really spicy.
Okay. And then for here to go?
For here, please.
While we're waiting for the food, guys, I'm going to show you guys the view where we are on second floor right here. See? So it looks like we're in downtown in Honolulu. It's a nice view. It's kind of glad because usually when we order Giovanni shrimp, it's like at the food truck, right? That's where they started with air conditioning. The kids really like it. I like it too. So, but it's been really fun in Honolulu. Honestly, my second time visiting Honolulu. I think I really enjoy the food more. I enjoy the atmosphere, and I enjoy just all the goodies, and shopping. Man, look what she got. Some tofu soup. Oh, you got that, son? Man, why you got a lot?
How to eat.
Boy, know how to eat. Look at that.
Mix the egg so it cooks.
Man, what?
Use a spoon.
Mix that. Let me see you mix that real quick, bud.
You know, you just put the rice in there. No, you eat the rice. You eat this and then you eat the rice.
Your order number 7 is ready.
Is that spicy?
Carter and Caitlin. Sit here, Caitlin. Please. Oh my God, they got fish cake with swirl. No, Carter, you eat the big bowl. Look how big it is.
Oh my God, it's too hot. We said we can't blow it. This is gonna be a hard challenge. Why do you see that?
Whoa, look at the spoon. What? Spoon's giant.
Oh, that's the creepy spoon. Okay? It's okay because we both know how to use chopsticks.
Okay, wait,
The preparation just to get the kids to eat is ridiculous. You see? All the hot sauce, they gotta blow it and try not to like spill. How's the food, guys? Y'all like it? How much y'all like it? Smells good though.
Giovanni's. Your order number 66 is ready.
Ooh, we about to get to a shrimp and rice. Shrimp and rice.
Hey, this is a little bit better than the water.
Get it, guys. Hey, dance to the music. Get Get it, Con. Get it. Ooh, she got the dog.
No, literally.
Caitlin,
You know that's
the job is for
spicy.
eating.
All right.
We are.
Spicy.
No, this is the hot.
Oh, that's so spicy. That's spicy? Oh,
What kinds of no, and they I have rice in mine. Want some rice in there? No.
Can we get a Coke or something?
your dad has met his match.
This is spicier than the one chip.
Is it spicy?
No.
It kicks in slowly.
Ah, too much. They warned you.
I'm not giving up.
Let's try to eat rice.
Giovanni's. Your order number 68 is ready.
Wait, what? On the floor?
Hayden, can you go ask him for 2 forks?
No, I don't know.
Give up? I don't know if he's trying to torture himself or not. Honey, are you trying to torture yourself?
I'm not wasting nothing.
Mama,
Yes.
tofu is really good, but except it has so much cheese.
Okay, you gotta eat it.
This is my phone.
Okay. You like the rice now? Or what? Oh my god! I have never seen your dad like this.
Sorry, guys.
Daddy.
So we're gonna fly home tomorrow, baby.
Look at the flat meat. You know why? They're rock that don't too spicy.
Anyway, look.
Get something else.
If you guys like spicy food, Giovanni shrimp
I like it.
in the freaking supermarket at H Market
Or the North Shore.
or the North Shore. That's our location. But damn, I just want to show you guys around. I didn't expect to eat this spicy shrimp like this. Whew. It is what it is, man.
Enjoy your.
You're literally sweating. Daddy, you're sweating.
Crying.
This is happy tears, y'all. This is happy tears. I'm happy to be in Hawaii.
Ew, how would I eat this?
Thanks for watching, man. I'll see you guys on my next vlog.